In this video prepared by Comfort Empresario, we are going to see the traditional parts of a refrigeration system for trucks. If this topic interests you, stay with us and of course subscribe to our channel. Let's start with the heart of the system, the compressor. In this case, we have a piston compressor, whose parts are 1. Butt 2. Compressor shaft 3. Oil filler cap 4. Peephole 5. Compressor serial number 6. Compressor oil drain plug 7. Compressor oil pump cover 8. Pressure regulator assembly 9. Access to the oil pump gauge 10. Coolant suction port 11. Suction valve adapter 12. High pressure refrigerant discharge port. This compressor used by the Thermo company is the X214 model. Internally it has 2 cylinders, for a total displacement of 228 cubic centimeters. Now, we go with the parts of the system together. 1. Muffler 2. Refrigeration circuit evaporator 3. Compressor suction pressure regulator 4. Refrigeration circuit compressor 5. Alternator 6. Identification plate 7. High pressure relief valve 8. Receiver tank 9. Air defrost switch 10. Dryer 11. Electric motor 12. Refrigeration circuit condenser 13. Valve of 3 pads 14. Expansion tank 15. Fuel filter for the engine. The distribution of the pulleys and belts in this same system is as follows. 1. Diesel engine 2. Refrigeration system compressor 3. Electric motor, for operation with the truck at rest, with electrical power. Thermo King refrigeration units for trucks allow turning a truck into a reliable mobile refrigeration system, with independent power from the vehicle engine, and even with the possibility of several evaporators in the same room, to maintain different refrigeration temperatures or freezing. At this moment, a link to a related video prepared by Comfort Empresario is appearing that will surely interest you, but first subscribe to our channel. Thanks for joining us.